Messenger, how to block and unblock. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can block as well as unblock on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To block and unblock on Messenger is very simple. Open Messenger, long press on a person that you would like to block, tap the block option. You have two options. You can only block them on Messenger or block them on Facebook as a whole, which will block them on both Messenger and the Facebook app as well. If you only want to block them on messages, you can tap the block messages and calls option and tap unblock. Now I have blocked this person. How do I go ahead and then unblock it? Now you can either tap their profile from here and then long press and again select unblock, but in case you don't have that, you can tap the three lines option, then tap the gear icon here, scroll down, go to privacy and safety, go to blocked accounts. From blocked accounts, select that person you want to unblock, tap on unblock, and then tap the unblock option again, and you will have successfully unblocked them as well. This way you can block and unblock in Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.